guys seeing here, Banner Shed Media. Well, we're at the ABT program now. No mics, no stands, no Scott even. Just snuck in here. This car, the Duster, which has gone from absolute Swiss cheese to now an F7 beauty. We have some stuff done on it now, even on the mechanic side. So I just wanted to use this because this is going to be moving over to Riv Classic Car Sales to be final assembled. So it's pretty well done here in the aspect of refinishing. The trunk needs to be sprayed yet, the hood and fender tag. I think the rest of it is done. Doors are done, front fenders are done. That's all been painted and looks amazing. Students that did the paint job on this one, yeah, I knocked it out of the park. So I had my students over here last day and a half putting the suspension front and rear in it, and there's still some things to solve, but at least it's on 4 wheels, it's rolling. I'm gonna put all the videos together that they were taking as it was all happening, because I can't be everywhere. So I have all of this material. We're gonna put it all together with this from the autobody program with my AST students. And then what we're gonna do then is once it's over at Ribs, it'll be part of our repair at Ribs segments that are gonna be happening weekly. So I have some videos. We have an LS swap going on right now in a 72 GMC truck, the Orange Blossom Special actually. So that video, if you've seen that video from a ways ago, that's what we're at right now. So anyway, the where we're at now is car, and I'm just gonna do a swing around here. The hood is getting repaired, and then it'll be sprayed. And I'm gonna try, this backwards, I don't wanna trip and fall. So yeah, we have some wheels on it. We have some wheels on it. So I'm gonna stop here. You're gonna get the video, all the segments, and then at the end, you get a walk around, and then next time you see this car, it'll be at Ribs. All right, take care, bye for now. Loctite over there? Make sure that's even.
That at all. I was just saying, bro, it's white.
exactly. Yeah, that's exactly what I would do. Put your elbow there.
Hey guys, I just want to voice over here just a little bit and add some stuff to this. You know, so lots of hands were on this car. So you just got to watch, I think it was Keegan and Aiden and EJ do the tires and rims and put them all together prior to having the opportunity to put the suspension in it. So Lucas, you can see right now, he's putting in the front perches with the leaf springs along with Eric, EJ, and Tyler. Now, the leaf springs, I'm not exactly sure. We ordered factory original 340 springs, but there is no way they are. The back end of the car is skyjacked. So we're going to have to do some looking at part numbers and stuff. But our main goal was to just get the car on the ground, on four wheels, and over a riv. So it's done at school, basically, and just get it out of the way. So anyway, that's the guys here putting this together like that. And in the front, we definitely had, I'm going to think here, Keegan, Donovan, and we had Aiden again up front. Everybody pretty much pitched in. If I missed anybody on this, I apologize. If you're watching the video, my apprentices, I apologize. But I think, Jeff, there might be Jeff up in there, Kalen. Anyway, guys did amazing work. The nice thing is, my student group I had before at the end, pretty much in June, we had all this stuff done. So the K-member strut rods, I had this all stripped, powder coated, and we pressed in new bushings and everything already. So all we had to do was Keegan put the front ball or the upper ball joints in and torqued those up. And yeah, torsion bars were recovered, or powder coated. So I mean, we had so much stuff ready to go, which made it just awesome. And then obviously everything got torqued up to spec. We built out the front brakes. The rear brakes were already on the rear differential. It's just a matter of setting up the clearance for the drums and then putting wheels on it. All of this stuff is going to be double, triple checked for sure. Once we get it back to rivs, we'll be able to get there. The rear shocks didn't go in because I wanted to do something with the rear leaf springs yet. Front shocks are in. Yeah, I think pretty much it's we didn't put the sway bar in. That can be another challenge for another day. That's not a big deal. But anyway, yeah, just want you guys just to enjoy watching this thing come together. I'm really want to show everybody what the boys did because they did such good work. I was their guidance, but that was pretty much, they torqued everything. We had the service information out, so it worked out super good. Yeah, we were just dragging the back end stuff. So we've had this stuff, these parts probably, we stripped the car, must be almost 2.5 years ago. I would think something to that effect. I'll have to look at the timestamps on everything. But yeah, I think, everybody that had their hands on this, just like the autobody students, this thing was resurrected for sure because my goodness, this thing was Swiss cheese, kind of, sort of, but now it is back. And the owner has seen it painted. He hasn't seen it in person on four wheels yet, but I sent him some pictures. Seems to be quite excited. So anyway, these are all the segments that the students had taken while I was in between the shops. So just, enjoy, and we'll catch you all later.
Put the one edge on the one
this side's
on the
straight out.
outside.
Work on the duster. You must become the duster.
Yes.
Oh, hell yeah.
I don't think I can, no, I can't.
Not doing this on you.
Okay, that's good.
As much as you can. There you go. Bang. Just reload there. Yeah, and then cotter pin straight through the top. Chill. Then you pop that cap. That's like common spec for any bow bearing or clearance bearing. So like if you don't know the spec, do that. You'll be fine. This one's perfect. The thicker one. The thicker one's better. You know what I mean? There's no limit though.
Hold that, Lucas. Hold that.
Long enough?
We're not straight here.
Yeah, that would surprise me.
Oh man, she looks good.
Ian,
Yeah, it looks like a
good to
car.
throw the covers on now. What? There you go.
That's a little bit more on your top right. There you go.
Come on. Give her a smack. There you go.
Spin it.